Dear students, I Dr. Jugesh Kumar in online lecture series. Today we will discuss about the topic virtual memory. This is a topic of memory management technique, virtual memory. Basically, virtual memory we use in the case when the program size is larger than the memory size. So we use the concept of virtual memory. In this case, the secondary memory act as a primary memory. So basically it's a illusion, but the program execute completely in primary memory. So virtual memory implemented by the demand paging concept. So demand paging system is similar to the paging system with swapping feature. Swapping means bringing of page from secondary memory to primary memory and fetching of program from primary to secondary. This is called swapping. When we want to execute a process, we swap it into the memory. A swapper manipulates the entire process, whereas a pager is concerned with the individual page of the process. The demand paging concept is using pager rather than swapper. When a process is to be swapped, in the pager guess which page will use before the process it is swapped out again. So demand paging basically this is the demand paging concept, swapping concept we are using here, is shown in the diagram. Second side we have primary and right side we have secondary memory. The bringing of page from the primary to secondary swap out, and bringing of page from secondary to primary is swap in. In this technique we need some hardware support to distinguish the between pages that are in memory and those that are on the disk. Basically here we use the valid and invalid bit is used for this purpose. When this bit is set to valid, it indicates that the associated page is in memory. If the bit is set to invalid, it indicates that the page is either not valid or is valid by currently not in the disk. Valid अगर पेज है valid, otherwise invalid. Memory के अंदर पेज is shown here in diagram. We using the page table. So here frame we divide into indexing 0 to 7. Is the capacity of 8 pages. Here the frame 4, 6, 9 is marked as a valid because the page is available in the page table. I means the frame which page is not available in the frame. So here we use the concept of valid and invalid. This is the diagram which complete the demand paging concept. Here the address reference generated by the CPU, number one reference generated by CPU which is showing invalid in the page table, means page is not available currently in the page table. So here it will send the trap to the operating system. And operating system check whether is a page available in the hard disk. Third point, page is on the backing store, means page is available in the backing store. Here the page is bring into the primary memory, physical memory, and here the operating system check frame is free or not. So here the page will bring in the, if free, so he will bring here, otherwise not free, it replace the page. So we will discuss the page replacement technique further. So how the page is replaced here. So replace, so here reset the table operating system and restrict the instruction and it become the invalid to valid. So here this procedure used to the demand paging, fulfill the demand paging process. These are the basically point I have discussed earlier. If the process reference refer to the page that is not in physical memory, then we check the internal table page table for this process to determine whether reference was valid or invalid. If the reference was invalid, we terminate the process. If it was valid but not yet brought in, we have to bring that from main memory. Now we find a free frame in memory and use this process. So by using this process, we complete the task of demand paging. So later on, now we will discuss the topic page replacement. As I told you, say we use the page replacement technique here, bring your page from secondary to primary. So we will discuss 3 page replacement technique here. Each process is allocated frame, a whole process page data, and this technique is used to fulfill the demand paging. Here we use the first technique is first in first out. Here this is the reference string given here 701237, value is given here, and we make the frame which is of 3 size of 3 bit can come at a time here. So here we write the reference string which is given above and we replace the page. First of all, as the name suggests, which page will come up first, will remove first. So what happened here, 7, we have 7, we put the value 7 here. Next 0, we will put 0 after 7, 1 we put after 0. So now from this point we replace the page. We check next reference value is 2 and we will check 2 is available here, not. So we will replace the page here, and according to algo, first in first out, the page which will come first he will remove first. So here 7 की जगह 2 आ जाएगा, 0 1 ये हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट 0 है, चेक करेंगे 0 इसमें है, यस, ओके, फॉल्ट हो जाएगा ये. फिर 3 देखते हैं, 3 इसमें है नहीं, तो इसकी जगह 3 अब रिप्लेस होगा. पहले 7 आया था, उसके बाद 0 आया था, 0 की जगह 3 आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट फिर 0 हम देखते हैं, 0 इसमें है नहीं है, अब रिप्लेस होगा. ऑलरेडी हम 2 और 0 को कर चुके, अब 0 किसी जगह आएगा, 1 की जगह, ये रिप्लेस हो गया. तो इस तरह से हम टेक्निक आगे यूज़ करते चले जाएंगे. मेथड जो भी है इस तरह का, जो पहला आएगा पहले वो ही विल रिमूव फर्स्ट. सो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस प्रोसेस, so which we will count the how much the fault occur here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. These are the page fault here. So the condition is here, if we increase the frame size, the page fault is also increased. This is called the bloody anomaly. Second technique is optimal. Optimal means we replace the page which will not use for the longest period of time. Next forward देखते हैं कि जो लंबे टाइम तक यूज होगा पहले वो रिप्लेस होगा, लाइक दिस. वही हमने रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग यहाँ लिखी, सेम यहाँ तक सेम चलेगा 1 तक. अब रिप्लेस करेंगे यहाँ से, 2 इसमें है नहीं है, 2 की जगह कौन रिप्लेस होगा देखते हैं. We will remove the page that will not use for the longest of period of time. तो हम क्या करेंगे, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में चेक करेंगे कि यहाँ क्या है, 2 की जगह 7 0 1 0 है और पहले है 7 1 है 7, सबसे बाद में जो होगा तो 7 की जगह 2 आ जाएगा. 0 ऑलरेडी हमारे पास है, 3 देखेंगे. अब आगे देखेंगे हमारे पास क्या है, यहाँ 2 0 1 फ्रेम में, और यहाँ क्या है 3 को करना. अब देखेंगे 2 0 1 0 2 1 1 की जगह क्या आएगा हमारा 3 आएगा, क्योंकि 1 सबसे लास्ट में यूज होगा. अब 0 है, ओके. 4 की जगह देखते हैं, 4 यहाँ आने के बाद 2 0 3 2 3 0, तो 0 की जगह क्या आएगा 3 आएगा. तो इस तरह से हम फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में इसमें मूव करते हैं और पेज को रिप्लेस करते चले जाते हैं ऑप्टिमल टेक्निक में. नेक्स्ट इज LRU, लीस्ट रिसेंट यूज. Replace the page that has not been used in most amount of time. Same we use here, the reference string is given here like this, and we removing this page. So 701, अब here 201, 2 से करना 017, तो 7 की जगह क्या होगा, इसे बैकवर्ड में देखते हैं, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन है बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में, 7 की जगह 2 आ जाएगा। अब 0 है, ओके, डिफॉल्ट रखा है 3। अब यहाँ से देखते हैं 3, 02, 3 कहीं पीछे यूज हुआ, तो 3 की जगह क्या, वो सॉरी 021, 1 की जगह क्या आएगा, 3 आ जाएगा। फिर इस केस में देखते हैं हम, नेक्स्ट केस 4, 203, अब 0 इसमें है, अब 4 से रिप्लेस किसको करना है, तो 032, 2 सब लास्ट में 2 की जगह 4 आ जाएगा। तो यहाँ क्या है, टोटल 12 फॉल्ट है। दिस इज बेटर देन फ्यूअर बट वर्स देन ऑप्टिमल, एंड दिस इज जनरली गुड एल्गो एंड frequently used. So these are the 3 technique, page replacement technique. So I hope you have understood. So dear student, thanks, all the best.